Tasty meatloaf wrapped in bacon and stuffed with cheesy mashed potatoes. The meatloaf is so tender and juicy on the inside with a sweet and tangy glaze that adds so much flavour to the meatloaf. A true meat and potato lover's dream. Combine 500 grams of beef mince, 120 grams of cooked onion and garlic, 150 grams of parmesan cheese, 50 grams of breadcrumbs, 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon of salt and pepper, 4 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, and 100 millilitres of milk. And stir well with a wooden spoon. Once fully mixed, add 20 grams of basil and stir through. In a new bowl, mix 200 grams of tomato sauce and 100 grams of brown sugar. Then add in 2 tablespoons of mustard and tomato paste, 1 tablespoon of paprika and 2 tablespoons of garlic paste, and mix everything. Mash 300 grams of boiled potatoes and 10 grams of butter. Then season with half a teaspoon of salt and of pepper. Add 100 millilitres of cooking cream and gently mix into the potato. Add 50 grams of parmesan cheese and combine. Line a savouries pan with a kilogram of sliced bacon. Like this. Make sure to cover the entire centre part too. Now paint your bacon with your homemade sauce. Once coated, carefully spoon in your beef mixture, pressing it into the bottom of the pan. Now add a layer of your potato and smooth it out. Now you can add a second layer of beef. Once pressed down, you can start to fold the bacon over to create a lid, like this. Make sure all the bacon pieces overlap. Bake at 180 degrees for 1 hour. Watch that bacon get nice and crispy, then remove from the tin and coat with a layer of sauce. Once coated, pop the meatloaf back into the oven for 5 minutes. Once it's served up, use a sharp knife to take out a generous slice. Look at that! Time to enjoy your meatloaf with some lovely green vegetables.